guys, welcome back to Oliver Smith Watches. I'm George Reed, this is Ryan Belton, and today we have a super special watch to tell you about. About a year ago now, we picked up Gerald Charles as a brand. If you've been living under a rock and don't know who Gerald Charles is, he's Gerald Genta. Charles is his middle name. Kind of fun fact there. Fortunately, he passed away a number of years ago, but this was his last company and his last real pure design.
Yeah.
Asymmetric case, real Italian flavor from the Zeviani family putting their print on the company. They did their bracelet this year in the masterlink. Absolutely cool. Love this, especially being a Royal Oak fan. You can see the lineage there. Federico Zeviani promised us that there was going to be a complication watch per year. Kind of a bold statement, but this is his first salvo. We have it here. This is the Ducati 916.
Basically, they took the wheel from the 916 Ducati. So if you're familiar, basically the center of this watch, kind of a skeletonized view, almost like if you're looking at a bike, basically from a side profile, seeing all like the moving parts in it. Really cool movement on this. Their first ever jump hour in Gerald Charles, which is really cool. And then you have a forged carbon fiber case, 39 millimeter, 50-hour power reserve, awesome red. Obviously, if you know Ducati, it's kind of like their colorway. Red strap on this one, vanilla scented. But yeah, really cool watch. Lightweight, easy to wear.
Yeah, limited edition, 250 pieces. I'm going to assume over the next couple of years, there's a lot to make. And it is in celebration of the 30th anniversary of Ducati's.
Correct.
Absolutely beast of a bike, the 916. So again, taking a lot of cues from the original bike. The jump hour is phenomenal. The references to the wheel is great. This designed manufactured movement for them. And you're right. I think back in the day, Genta did a couple of jump hours, and they're giving like a nod to stuff that.
Well, remember like the Donald Duck, Mickey Mouse or whatever it was, and he was golfing, and then it would hit the golf ball, and they kind of all laughed at him and kind of got pissed at him at that one watch show.
So quick little story. Back in the day when Genta released his first retrograding jump hour, he did it in the form of Mickey Mouse and Donald Duck like golfing.
Yeah.
And it was really high horology, but done very tongue-in-cheek. He's always had a sense of humor about these things. I think that's what I've always liked about Genta.
Yeah.
So much of himself in his designs. And especially back then, Baselworld was very serious.
Oh yeah.
And they kind of came up to him like we feel like you're kind of thumbing your nose.
Making fun of us.
And he was like, yep, you get it, absolutely.
Yep.
You know, it doesn't always have to be so serious. So again, if you have not heard of Gerald Charles, please look them up. One of our joys in doing this for a living is we get to show you guys the coolest stuff first. Anything that we feel is an important watch brand, I like getting in front of it. I like being able to show it to you. I like helping to create a market. And this is a small brand that's doing everything right. If it's not on your radar, put it on your radar. Get to know these guys because they're making big moves right now. If you want to see them live, come up and see Ryan and I here at the flagship store. We've dusted a few of these throughout the Oliver Smith locations as well. So we've got a few of them up in Aspen. If you're fortunate enough to be up there, please say hi to the guys. We have a cute little store down in Scottsdale Fashion Square. And especially right now after Black Friday, that place is popping. Put on your body armor, go down the mall, say hi to the guys down there. And either way, thank you so much for watching, guys.